So, you want to be a software engineer? No degree? No problem. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how you can become a software engineer without a degree. We're going to be breaking down the misconceptions, talking about the essential skills, and giving you a clear roadmap to success. If you're passionate about coding and ready to put in the work, this video is for you. Alright, let's talk about the one thing that will make or break your journey to becoming a software engineer without a degree: self-discipline. Look, there's no sugarcoating it. This path requires serious dedication. You won't have professors breathing down your neck or classmates to keep you in check. It's all on you. Think of it like training for a marathon. You need a plan, a schedule, and the willpower to stick to it, even when things get tough. Set realistic daily or weekly coding goals. Whether it's an hour a day or dedicating your weekends, consistency is key. And don't be afraid to get granular with your goals. Instead of saying, I want to learn Python, break it down. Maybe it's master the basics of Python syntax this week or build a simple web scraper by the end of the month. These smaller milestones make the journey less daunting and more rewarding. But self-discipline isn't just about coding. It's about actively seeking knowledge. The tech landscape changes rapidly, so you gotta stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe to industry blogs, listen to podcasts, follow influential developers on social media, immerse yourself in the world of tech. Remember, learning to code is like learning a new language. The more you practice, the more fluent you become. Embrace the challenges and celebrate the small victories along the way. Now, let's dive into the resources that will shape your software engineering journey. Online courses and platforms. These are your digital classrooms, offering structured learning paths and a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. We're talking about platforms like Coursera, Udemy, edX, and the countless others out there. They've got courses on everything from web development and data science to machine learning and cybersecurity. The best part? Many of these courses are completely free or available at a fraction of the cost of traditional education, but with so many options it can get overwhelming. My advice? Start with the fundamentals. Solid foundations in computer science principles like algorithms and data structures are crucial, even if you're going the self-taught route. Once you've got the basics down, focus on a specific area that excites you. Maybe it's building mobile apps, creating stunning websites, or diving into the world of artificial intelligence. Choose a path and commit to it. Don't just passively consume these courses. Take notes, do the assignments, and actively engage with the material. Find instructors whose teaching style clicks with you and resources that fit your learning pace. Chapter 3. Coding boot camps level up your skills. So, you've been putting in the work, diving deep into online courses, and building your coding chops. Now let's talk about coding boot camps, intensive training programs designed to fast-track your software engineering career. Think of boot camps as the espresso shot of coding education. They're immersive, hands-on, and laser-focused on getting you job-ready in a matter of months. These programs pack a ton of information and practical experience into a condensed time frame. Boot camps are all about collaboration and real-world projects. You'll be working alongside other aspiring developers, tackling challenges, and building a portfolio that showcases your skills to potential employers. But boot camps aren't for the faint of heart. They require a serious commitment of time, energy, and finances. Before taking the plunge, do your research. Look for programs with strong industry connections, experienced instructors, and a curriculum aligned with current market demands. Choose wisely and be prepared to put in the work. Chapter 4. Building your portfolio. Show, don't just tell. Alright, let's talk about your software engineering portfolio. Your digital resume, your showcase of skills, your ticket to impressing potential employers. In the tech world, it's not just about what you say you can do, it's about what you can actually deliver. Think of your portfolio as a curated gallery of your coding prowess. It should highlight your technical abilities, problem-solving skills, and creativity. But here's the thing. You don't need to wait until you've landed a fancy internship or a big-time project to start building it. Personal projects are your secret weapon. They're an opportunity to explore your interests, experiment with different technologies, and demonstrate your passion for coding. Have an idea for a cool web app? Build it. Want to create a game? Go for it. Don't be afraid to start small. Even simple projects can showcase your understanding of fundamental programming concepts. As you gain experience, gradually tackle more complex challenges. When building your portfolio, documentation is key. Chapter 5. Networking, your secret weapon. Alright, let's talk about a crucial aspect of landing that dream software engineering gig, networking. Now, I know what you might be thinking, networking. But I'm not exactly a social butterfly, and that's totally fine. Networking in tech is less about awkward small talk and more about building genuine connections with like-minded individuals. It's about learning from others, sharing your experiences, and tapping into a supportive community. Start online. Join tech communities on platforms like Reddit, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and share your insights. Follow industry influencers, engage with their content, and don't be afraid to reach out and introduce yourself. Attend virtual meetups, webinars, and online conferences. These events are goldmines for connecting with other developers, learning about new technologies, and hearing from industry experts. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there are other topics you'd like us to cover. We're always looking for new ideas and ways to support this amazing community. Stay curious, stay persistent, and never stop coding.